Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a connections game. 16 clues and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. And this might be my favourite for a long time. There's picture clues! We have not had this before ever, possibly once, but possibly never. Right. I think this is Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. I think that's a T, that's a T, that's a T, and that's probably a cup of tea. As a Brit, I definitely should recognise that. What is the next group? A saw and a cog, a bank, a bed, a nut, a zip, rats, G's. Oh, G's, rats, nuts, and something else. What is another expression? What on earth is the picture in the bottom left? That's what I'm struggling with at the moment. It might be that one that goes into this, because I'm not sure any of the others do. But I might have to come back to this group, because I'm not quite sure. What is that guy doing? Sneering? I have no idea what that bottom left picture is. I'm fairly convinced that it's going to be in that group, but we'll have to come back to it in case I spot another one that could go in that group instead. So what are we going to do? Comb and cog feel connected. Is that top right one just a triangle, or is it going to be a delta, or is it going to be some other thing that is represented by that symbol? Not sure about that either. And what is going to go with bank? Saw, cog. Is it a cog or a gear, do we think? And what is on the top left as well? Is that a sundae? Or is it specifically pointing to the chocolate sauce? Because it could be saucepan? Sauce pot? Sauce something. Or just a different definition of the word sauce. You could sauce something from somewhere. But I don't know how that interacts with any of the other things. That's got to be a zip. What is a zip gonna go with? It's got a Z in it. It's got teeth. Oh, it's things with teeth. Definitely should have got that quicker. So, if it is, it's definitely going to be nuts, rats, G's, and something else. It's not going to be sauce. It's not going to be bed. It's not going to be bank. It's going to have to be the thing in the bottom left. Then what would link the others? Bed and bank. And sauce. River bank, river sauce, river delta. It is a delta. What? How is it not that one? It's river bed, river delta, river bank. It's not river G's. How can it not be sauce? River rats with river nuts, river G's. It's got to be these three and sauce. The sauce of a river. I'm so confused. It has to be these four, but it can't be because I just tried these four, didn't I? Yeah, I already guessed. I'm so confused. Maybe the bottom left one goes in the other group then. No, sorry, that's what I just tried. Maybe the bottom left one goes in this group, somehow. Parts of a river, bank, bed, delta. It's just a mouth. Okay, well, I really overthought the mouth one. But sauce. The sauce of a river. I'm so confused. And then how can sauce go in this group? Mild oaths. Oh, fudge. That's not fudge. It could be fudge sauce, but it's definitely sauce. That is so unfortunate at the end. That was going so well until those last two. That's, I suppose, the problem when you do picture clues, is that people might interpret them differently. But I cannot believe that that was a clue that was meant to be fudge. I don't know how you would represent fudge, to be fair. But still, that, I mean, I cannot believe that wasn't the source. That was such a plausible suggestion. Anyway, we solved the puzzle. 5 guesses rather than 4. But, I mean, that was so close to being perfect. That's a bit frustrating. But anyway, it is what it is. Let me know how you got on with this one and whether you enjoyed the fact that it was slightly different to normal. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.